Welcome to my channel Happy Crochet Club. Today we will make basic rib stitch baby hat newborn size. I use two different yarns, both DK double knit yarn. For this hat I used Pato yarn, and here 100 gram ball have 270 meters. This yarn is thicker. And for this hat I used double knit yarn, and here 100 gram ball 295 meters. This yarn a little bit thinner. How to crochet flower will be linked here in the corner. And I used 4mm crochet hook. You can see a little bit bigger, just a little bit. I have 4.5 inches, and here also 4.5 inches. Exactly the same pattern, just different yarns. And wide 13 inches up to 14. Hat is stretchy. See. Another hat, 12 inches, also up to 14. 12 inches also can be for preemie size baby. You can you can use also Aran yarn if you like worsted weight yarn, then hat will be big as well if you need. And we can start. Start with chain 30. Skip 2 chains. In the third chain, half double crochet. Half double crochet in each chain, and here leave 3 unworked. Make half double crochet 25. Half double crochet done. 3 chains left. Slip stitch. Pull up a loop. 1. Slip stitch, pull up a loop, 2, slip stitch, pull up a loop, 3, chain 1, turn your work, first 3 stitches, slip stitch, 1, pull up a loop, 2, 3. Next 24 stitches, half double crochet, back loops. back loops, continue crochet until last stitch. Last stitch we will do together. 24 half double crochet done. Last stitch, half double crochet, both loops. Both loops we do because here this edge will be stronger. Then chain 2, turn your work, and these 2 rows you have to repeat. First stitch, half double crochet, both loops, then half double crochet, back loops, (24 stitches), and continue until this last 3 back loops, half double crochet. 24 back loops, half double crochet done. Last 3 stitches, slip stitch. Do not skip this last. Slip stitch, 1, slip stitch, 2, back loops, slip stitch, 3, chain 1, turn your work, slip stitch, back loops, 3, 1, 2, 3, next back loops, half double crochet, 24 stitches. And continue until last stitch. (24 half double crochet, back loops done. Last stitch, both loops, half double crochet. Chain 2, turn your work and repeat exactly the same. Start 2 loops here, both loops, half double crochet, then back loops, half double crochet, last 3 stitches, slip stitch, back loops, chain 1, turn your work, slip stitch, back loops, first 3 stitches, then back loops, half double crochet, 24 stitches, and last stitch, both loops, half double crochet. Continue crochet until you have 14 ribs, these lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and there are half rib, 14. Right side inside. First, here you see chain 2 and first stitch we join with other side first stitch. If you have 1 loop, then 1 loop when you start your head. And this we join together, these 2 first stitches, chain 1, next back loop and back loop. If you have one loop this side, just one loop, and other part back loop, slip stitch in each stitch, slip stitch, 2 loops, and continue. Done. Now turn back to right side. Cut off yarn, leave a little bit longer. And here weave in these lines. Like this. And then pull this yarn up.